Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a video into Instagram Reel. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Right-click on the footage and choose Auto Reframe. Now in the aspect ratio settings, choose the 1:1 ratio. Also, you can adjust the motion speed into fast, slow and auto. Then click on Analyze. Your video will be converted in a second. Also, you can adjust the frame by yourself, simply by dragging the frame. Now let's see it in a fast motion speed. Then as you can see, there are more aspect ratios. And finally, we can export this file. And this is the finals result. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.